Factorize and simplify the following algebraic expression. Notice that we have x squared minus 9 all over 2x minus 6. And our goal is to factorize this algebraic expression. In order to factorize the numerator, we are going to use the difference of two squares formula. Now, the difference of two squares formula states that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Now, indeed, what this difference of two squares formula is saying is that if we have a squared, we have to take the square root of a squared, which is a, and then we have to take this, and if we have b squared, we have to take the square root of b squared, which is b, and then we add them and then subtract them. And so we have x squared minus 9. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the square root of x squared, and the square root of x squared is x. Next, we have 9, and we're going to take the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. And so we add them, and then we subtract them. So we have x plus 3 and x minus 3. And that's the application of the difference of two squares. And that's the application of the difference of two squares being used to factorize this particular algebraic expression on the numerator. Next, we have 2x minus 6. And notice that 2 is a factor of 2x, and 2 is also a factor of 6. And so we are able to factor out the 2, and we are left with x minus 3. And so we have 2 times x, which is 2x, and 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6. And so we have x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 2. We have x minus 3 multiplied by x minus. We have x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3 all over 2 times x minus 3. Next, we cancel. So we cancel out this x minus 3 with that x minus 3. And we are left with x plus 3 divided by 2. And so we have x plus 3 divided by 2. And so that's our final answer. And so we have x plus 3 all over 2. We just dropped the parentheses. And so it's x plus 3 all over 2. And that's our answer to this particular expression.